Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to create a DevOps pipeline using AWS. And this is our GitHub repo. It has a HTML file which we are going to host in AWS and a configuration file .yml. Let's head into AWS console. Uh, let's open S3. Click on create bucket. Let's name it and let everything be default. Click create bucket. The name already exists. This name should be a unique name. If I use this name, no one can use the name. So it should be unique among the globally. Click create bucket and the bucket is created. Let's click on the bucket. You can see the properties. Scroll down, you can see the static website hosting. Click edit and enable it. And our file name is index.html. We can do this step at last also. When the data is arrived from our GitHub to S3 bucket. Yeah, and then click on permissions and bucket policy. And here we need to enter our S3 name. These are policies, like basically it's an you can consider it as an ACL, access control list, by giving access to S3 bucket. So this error is due to a blocked or public access. So we first need to allow the public access and then we should configure it. Click on edit and uncheck it. And type confirm. And now click on bucket policy, edit, and now I can paste it. It's like basically allow or block access, and get object means read access. So we're getting the read access. Click on the search option and type code pipeline. Click on create pipeline and click on build custom pipeline. You can click on anything, but let's go with a custom pipeline. Name the pipeline. Select the execution mode and let's create a new service role and click next. And the source provider is GitHub. Our data is present in GitHub via GitHub app, and connect to GitHub. You can name your GitHub connection. You can give any name. Click on connect to GitHub. Click on install a new app and click on configure. I use multi-factor authentication for my GitHub, so it will ask me to scan this to verify it. it's connected. So you can close this window and you can see in the drop down it's not listed. So you can again click connect to GitHub. So I can give the same connection name and connect to GitHub. We have already installed, so we can just click connect. Yeah, now it's connected and our repositories are listed. And our repository name is DevSecOps Lab. Click it, and the branch is default main branch. And click next. Other build providers. Our build provider is Code Pipeline, Code Build, AWS Code Build, and you can use existing project or you can create a new project. So click create new project.
What? Uh,
Give a name. Here you can select anything you want and let everything be default. And here use the build spec file. This file is present in our GitHub, so we don't need to name it, and everything is optional. Then click continue to code pipeline. And yeah, we can see our project is created. You can see it in green color. Project is created. So click next. Test is optional, so we can even skip this stage. And the deployment is in S3 bucket. So click Amazon S3 and you should select the bucket. The bucket name is, and click extract file before deploy and click next. We should review and create the pipeline. Our pipeline is created, and once every stage is ran successfully, our pipeline will be successful. So it's like basically our source is our GitHub repo. We have a file and it will copy the files from the GitHub repo and put it into an S3 bucket. We have enabled static website hosting. So these website, so the HTML website will be deployed in S3 bucket. So it's like basically serverless. You no need to manage any servers. Uh, S3 will handle how many users. It will handle the scalability of the website. Yeah, everything you can see in green color. So all three stages are ran. The pipeline ran successfully. Now we can go to our S3. It's like basically I put a file into S3, but when enable static website hosting, uh, it's deployed into AWS, so you can uh, use it. And click on properties Here I can see the files that were listed. These files were in our GitHub repo. So it's been copied to here and click on properties and copy this and just paste it. Yeah, you can see the new website. Yeah, this is the website. It's an HTML, simple HTML code. So you can see the original source in GitHub. Yeah, DevOps pipeline in AWS. This page is deployed using AWS code pipeline. Thank you for